it's dark and I know it's getting late, but I'm pretty sure I got my stepdad's horns that he used to let off every year at New Year's. So I found them. I'll take them inside so we can see them properly. Okay, so there should be enough stuff here to make them work and enough light for you to see, but I am going to have to get the battery out of the car to make them work. Let's go find. So I can't hear none of the 9:30 fireworks. Can't see none of the 9:30 fireworks. But it's 9:30. So I'm either early or late. Do you want me to keep the video going for a minute or? I heard a little bit of a thump. Only other thing I'm thinking I can do is grab the ladder out, get up on the roof. Oh, I'm on the roof and I can see something. Oh, I can see fireworks. But that's rugby. Like the actual fireworks should be over that way. Nothing. Oh, it was worth a try. I can hear a rumble though. I'm not sure if the video will be able to hear the rumble. So we have some fireworks over this way, but the actual fireworks should be that way. Oh look, there you go. Oh, it's lighting up the sky like a nuclear bomb. That's cool. My video is probably going to go flat. It's too cloudy. Ooh, wow. That is awesome. Now I just got to try and get off this stupid roof without dying. Oh my god. Oh. I'm not sure if that looks far. Standing up here, it's very far. Better sit the battery on something, otherwise the missus might get angry. Alright, let's get you inside. We made it inside. Willow's inside. Battery's inside. Alright, let's see if I can get this out. A little big base, a few horns and some extra wiring. I'm not sure. And some extra airline hose. Right. So this is how old this packet is that the plastic that they come in has gone yellow. That's amazing. Okay, so if these have been tied up since this newspaper, just found a date on the newspaper. November 17th, 2001. That's how long Dale, my stepdad, had these for. And yet this is still shiny and very heavy. So it was made to last. Ooh, and they were nice enough to colour code everything. So green to green horn. Yellow to yellow horn, hopefully. So that's pretty cool. And on this side we've got positive and negative. And it tells us that it's 12 volts. And it's also made in Italy. Oh, they've got good craftsmanship in Italy. Just as good as Germany and all those places. And musical Dixieland. Made in Italy from Alpex. But I'd say that must be the song. Dixieland. Let's Google it quickly. Ah, not another ad. Sorry people. Put you on pause. Well, there you go. 3.1 million views. 3.6 million. And this other one just looks like a standard air horn. It's got one outlet and it's the same on the other side. Let's go to Dixieland. Oh, I want to save it for 12 o'clock, but I also want to test it out just real quickly. So green was negative. well. Nothing's warm. Should we reverse part for a Larry letter tease? There's no switch on it. I just don't know why it's making that sound. What the hell? Oh, I did have them back to front. Positive, negative. Ah. My bad. How about we cut that bit of the video out? They do work. So, negative. Oh, they're going to be loud. Oh yes, oh yes. Jeez, I should have paid more attention in electronics class. But let's go get it ready and outside for 12 o'clock. Hey Mum, hey Wendy. Not sure if you remember these, but these are Dale's Air Horns. It plays Dixieland from the General Lee. And we get to annoy the neighbours just like he would have if it was New Year's. He would have let them off at his front door steps. So I'm here doing the same thing. Anyway, hope it brings back some good memories. Hi guys, it's 15 minutes to midnight. Just got the earmuffs out for the air horns. I'm not sure how loud they're going to be, but obviously I'm going to be real close, so I don't want to bust my ears. So I'm going to wear these, and obviously you can turn them up or turn them down and let some sound through. So let's go get set up. Oh. Ah! Well, Happy New Year everybody. Thanks for being interested in my stepdad's air horns and watching all the way through. And if you made it this far, it's 2024. Anyway, have a good 2024, and we've got plenty of videos coming. Hopefully we can get some better audio happening. See ya next year.